ask you a couple questions.
I can hardly hear you. We're at the satellite guy's house that installed Jane's cable. Officer down. I need emergency medical assistance.
Concussion, 2 cracked ribs, a sprained wrist, 5 stitches to the forehead. It could have been a lot worse.
But he's gonna be all right.
He needs rest. But I don't see why he can't go home relatively soon.
Thank you, Doctor. Damn it.
Christian, this guy was right there. I could have had him.
You helped out Nick. It was the right thing to do.
Does it feel like the right thing?
You know, Nick was alone. The stalker could have killed him and didn't.
Yeah, I wonder why. Let's go back over there.
I'm going with you.
No. You need to calm down a little. Talk to Nick when he wakes up. Nigel Crane, age 37, no criminal record, working for Luna Cable for 11 years, no immediate family, lives alone, last seen by co-workers 2 days ago, no priors.
Not a stick of furniture, except for a computer and a chair.
He lives up there, not down here. Works, sleeps, changes his clothes, everything in the attic. He looks down on the world, separating himself from others. It's fascinating, really.
Well, you're gonna love this.
Red dye.
Now what?
Dinner and a movie.
Floppy cubes. Soulless, lost, useless, sick puppets. Little sheep looking for direction. Gullible. From an inside, they used to look like ants. And now, they're all ants, all the time. You squash one.
Just think this is only take 1.
We all start running around in a pack.
These painkillers are the real deal, okay? Don't overdo it. Plenty of rest.
It'll work for at least a week.
Will do. Thank you, Doctor.
Well, did you find him?
Kind of think she might have got away with it. But, Grissom did find some wacky video collection.
What?
Now, did you not just hear the doctor? You're supposed to rest. We're on it, okay?
Hey, relax, I'm inside.
I see you, Jane. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? You're coming out of that. No. Not the way he does. We all get what we deserve. And
How's it going?
How's Nick doing?
Groggy.
Any clues as to where this guy might be?
Not really, not yet.
cut it up.
Archie, freeze it. Do you see that behind him? The left hand of the screen? Can you focus and fix this?
Another 26 times magnification. Bring it back to 60.
That's the arch zipper.
Isn't our newsletter for in-house only?
Did you know that?
You may know him well in a previous email.
Found that photo of Nick and his prom date. Used Jane Galloway to emulate the photo.
Why would he do that? Why Nick?
Nick has satellite cable, right?
Lunar cable, 150 channel.
Wait a minute, we've been doing this the wrong way. We need to see the last tape. Archie, play this.
It's like Kiki's